Okay, here we go into the land pavilion. Gonna find something for lunch in here and then hop on Soarin.
Gonna feel like you're flying.
There you go. They said 45-minute wait. There's no way this is a 45-minute wait. I'm gonna request to sit in the front row, section B. At this rate. There we go, I got it. B row 1, right dead smack in the center. I'm excited.
Hello, welcome to Soarin. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. To begin boarding, first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat. Display all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. Includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts and seat into the buckle on your right. The smaller aviators don't measure up to the height you gave on the seat. Just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before locking. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be here. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or heights, you might want to wait for your party to arrive. Okay, let's review. Seatbelt carry-on, fear of heights. Keep your hands around the inside at all times.
You sit there and the whole screen goes like, all right, aviators, we'll start with by row 3, followed by row 2, followed by row 1.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
for Soarin with us. To unfasten your seatbelt, just push down on the red button on your right. Be sure.
That was awesome. I had front row right in the middle. I had the best view pretty much possible on that ride. And the only thing I can't provide to you guys is on that ride, obviously if you've been on it before, they pump smells into the ride that you can smell, like oranges and fresh cut grass and all that stuff. It's really unique. One of the only rides I knew to ever first do that. I really loved that ride. I'm glad that I got to get on it and record it and have a good seat, because you guys seen me earlier, it was almost 2-hour wait. Now it's only a 30-minute wait. So, never give up on a ride. Always keep checking back. Never know, you'll probably still end up on it. Now, I'm about to get a drink and get a good spot for the fireworks, I guess.